welcome back to my channel. My name is CorieTips. I'm feeling my fit. I'm feeling myself, feeling myself, feeling my face. Don't mind me. I am feeling this look. You should feel it as well. Ha! I love the fact that my gold earrings goes with the champagne gold, glitter, eyes, popping, and the brown and the hair. Everything just blends. Don't you just love this makeup look? Huh. I'm really happy about this one, and guys, I want you to sit with me to the end and let's create this makeup look together. Starting off with my brows, I'm using my Eversheen pencil. This is my go-to pencil. Any day, anytime. At least for now. This look we're doing is very simple, and I'll try as much as possible to use as fast as I can. So I'll be using this LA Girl concealer in Warm Honey for my brows. I'll also be using this Super Stay foundation by Maybelline in Coconut 355. So how are you today? I'm super excited about this makeup. I'm always super excited. Like, it's a joyous thing for me to do makeup for you guys. This is going to be like the easiest champagne gold makeup ever. We're using glitters. So I just brushed on some of my foundation on my brush, a spoon. This is to brighten up my brows. Feel free to go back in if it's too bright. This will help to just soften your brows, and you can use a brow gel as well. Straight onto my eyes, my concealer. For this makeup look, we're going to be using a lot of brown. So I'm using this Juvia's Place Zulu palette, and I'll be using this orange color for my transition first. Next, I'll be picking on this yellow. Back to orange. Next, I'll be using this brown. This brown looks like orange, and it's not really deep. So I've decided to use this Morphe's and Jacqueline Hill palette, and it has brown in it. It is the I'm Done Gorgeous palette. It was discontinued, but it has brown in it. I don't know why this palette was discontinued. It's really brown. I should check the Jacqueline Hill website or the Morphe Brushes website to know if this Vault eyeshadow palette is still there in case you want to buy. I absolutely love it. It's really nice. It gives me that smoky brown effect. Just going to blend the edges. So I have this Stella Glitters. It is Gold Goddess. For me, it's like a champagne gold, not absolutely gold, yellow gold, but I really love it. So I'm just going to apply it straight on to my tear dot and to give it that bright feel. And I'm just going to add this chunky glitters. It is also a yellowish, it's in between yellow and champagne gold, but it's gonna work for us. So get any glitter glue you wish. Mine is the benign glitter glue, but it's in this container. Be careful not to let the glitters fall. Also, do not pack on too much so that your eyes don't get red and teary. So I'll be using my Maybelline foundation in 355 Coconut. I told you this makeup was very simple. Once you've done all the blending for your transition colors, just pop that champagne gold on. And you're good. Next is my Sacha Butter Cosmetic Powder. Next is my Super Stay Powder in Java 355 by Maybelline. I'm just using it to snatch my cheekbone and jawline. And the side of my nose as well. So I'm just going to dust off the excess powder. I really love this makeup. And then next is my Maybelline powder in Warm 109. And I'm just using it to blend my powder. I'll be using Super Stay Master Chrome Highlighter for my face. This makeup look really goes with what I look like in terms of my hair, my top. Next is this classic blush. So I'm using this LA Color eyeliner in black to line my eyes. Next is this mascara by Zara Cosmetics. And then adding a bit of orange after the brown. I'm going to touch up the brown again. So I'm using the Zara lip pencil in Cappuccino. I'm going to be adding a bit of concealer. And then I'm applying Amore Matte by Milani in Haute Brûlante. Adding just a little bit of concealer again. This actually feels like I'm using the Blondie by Zara Cosmetics. It's this bright and I absolutely love it. This is a super gorgeous makeup look. I hope you love it.